How to fix BSNL call not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix BSNL call not working problem. So guys, I will teach you in stepwise. So let's get started. Let's go to the phone settings, and then you can see here aeroplane mode. Just enable the aeroplane mode here, and then switch off your phone, and you have to plug out your SIM card, and then again you have to plug in your SIM card. Now switch on the phone and just disable this aeroplane mode, and you can see your problem will be solved. And the second step is you have to go to your dual SIM and cellular network. You can see here, click here, select your SIM, and then click on carrier option, and the network will be in searching process, and then you have to select an option, and then you have to apply your network. The problem will be solved. And the third step is you have to go to your additional settings. Here you can see, click on additional settings, and then go to backup and reset. Click here, and then just you have to press on reset to factory settings here. And keep in mind that you have to click on reset system settings only, not in clear all the data. Don't click in clear all data, just you have to click on reset system settings only here, and then enter your password and restart your phone. The problem will be solved. And the fourth step is you have to go to your software updates, and then see whether there is anything for the updates. You have to update it and restart your phone and reopen your device. The problem will be solved. And the next steps is you have to go to your app management. You can see your app management or install apps. You have to go there, click on all the apps, and then you have to go to call management. You can see here call management. Click here, and then press on force stop, and you have to force stop this. Now you can see here storage users. Click storage users, and then press on clear data, and you have to clear all the data here. Now go back, and if your problem doesn't work, you can call to the customer care, and then you can console with that. Sometimes the network connection gets low because of the server problem, so you can console with your customer care with different number. This is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.